Welcome to Atlas by Enable My Team and the Overview tutorial. This tutorial will cover the basic menu items, styling options, and location of functions. Atlas will always open on the GIS layer with available data in blue. On the right-hand side, you will see three main function buttons, and on the left is your Details panel. Under your main menu bar, you have Notifications, Accounts, Settings, Select Contract, Upload Point Cloud, and Save Current Position. The notification panel will detail all the notifications from shared camera views to successfully loaded point clouds. You can clear this panel by marking them as red. Selecting accounts will show you your username along with the basic information for your account, including the logout option. Settings details the units available, so either miles or kilometers per hour, and also allows you to change your password if required. After settings, there is Select Contract. This is a drop-down field that lets you toggle between different accounts against your username. Select Apply once the correct contract is selected and the environment will load. Following settings, there is the Upload Point Cloud. Please see the Uploading Point Clouds tutorial for further details on this function. Finally, there is Save Current Position. Selecting this option will save your default view on the GIS layer. As you can see, my default is London. Next, there is Browse Data. Under Browse Data, you will find all your point clouds and point cloud files. From here, you can navigate to your point clouds, remove them from Atlas altogether, or upload a new point cloud. You can also navigate to your Notifications panel as well. The final option is Change Map Type. This allows you to change the GIS map to satellite or street view, as well as toggle the available data on and off. Available within Atlas is always a zoom function to allow you to zoom in and out as required. You can also change the styling of your point clouds on the Details panel. Please watch the navigation tutorial for a more in-depth guide on loading point clouds. Once a point cloud is loaded, you can amend the point size and the color, or change the styling to elevation. This panel allows you to make the desired changes to gain more insights from your data. On the right-hand side, you will see three action buttons. The first is sectioning, the second is first-person view, and finally cloud measurements. These will be covered in further detail on later tutorials. To exit any point cloud, please select Exit button and it will revert to the home page.